Managing projects can be overwhelming, especially when you have to juggle multiple tasks and deadlines. That's why we're sharing 5 powerful features of Layer that will transform your project management and help you save time. Here's how you can get the most out of Layer as a project manager. Mind mapping for clear structure. Layer's mind mapping feature is essential for organizing your project ideas. Start by mapping out major projects like launching a new product line, a website redesign, or content planning. For example, under Launch New Product Line, you can branch out into specific tasks such as conducting market research, developing product specifications, and designing packaging. Task assignment and status tracking. One of Layer's best features for saving time is the ability to assign tasks and track their statuses. Whether you're onboarding new clients or redesigning a website, each task can be assigned to a team member with the appropriate status, such as in progress or done. Deadline management for timely delivery. Staying on track is crucial, and with Layer, setting and managing deadlines becomes seamless. Every task, whether it's creating a content plan or setting up ad campaigns, can be given a specific due date. For instance, if you're working on a marketing campaign, you can assign deadlines for key tasks such as set up ad campaigns or conduct audience analysis. Task grouping and folder organization. Layer allows you to group related tasks into folders, making it easier to manage larger projects with multiple components. For example, in your content plan, you can organize all platform-related tasks into a current platforms folder, where you include Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube tasks. This way, everything is organized in a way that makes sense, and you can quickly locate specific tasks. Focus mode for task prioritization. If you ever feel overwhelmed by numerous tasks, Layer's focus mode can help you prioritize. You can zoom in on one branch of your project or a single task, such as designing graphics for Instagram posts or wireframing the new website design. By focusing on just one aspect of your project at a time, you'll find it easier to manage your workload, improve productivity, and avoid distractions. With Layer, you get access to powerful tools that make project management easier and more efficient. Whether you're managing a product launch, a client onboarding process, or a content calendar, Layer's mind mapping, task tracking, deadlines, and organization features will help you stay ahead. Best of all, Layer is free to use, so try it today and take your project management to the next level.